Hello, good morning. It's just after 8 a.m. here in Osaka, and I am up semi-early to go to Himeji, which has the biggest castle in all of Japan, and it's about 2 hours away from here. I have an Airbnb that I reserved with a few friends, and so you're gonna come with me on a journey to Himeji. It's gonna be really fun. This is a long planned trip. I'll see you when I get there. Okay, so we made it to Himeji, and there's the castle way in the distance over there. Behind, Mike, get out of the way. Right there, perfect. Mike, get out of the way. And so there it is. But we're here, and we're gonna go see the castle at some point. More to come. So my homie got a hat because he was cold. His pride, he says, but looks good on him. I like the hat.
Looks good, Mike. Looks very good on him. Josie.
Looks very good. Very nice. Very nice. All right, we're gonna get some ice cream. It's gonna be fun.
Love you. Bye.
Okay, so we're here. We made it to the Airbnb, and here's the digs. Here's where I'm sleeping tonight. It's like a cool little hovel. Very nice. Outside we got the two gentlemen. Oh, you're coming with me. Oh, you're coming with me. There he is. There they are, right there. All of them. So we got the fourth person in our party, Brian, and he's here now. So now the party can begin. But we will definitely see. This place is actually pretty cool. Let me give you a little look-see. So they got a guitar in the corner. Bathrooms are out there. Little kotatsu right here. Super cool. Super cool. We had a good conversation with a Japanese guy around here. But we're just jamming. We're just jamming right now. Listening to some good music, talking to people, speaking the Nihongo. It's all good. Hey Brian, what's up, dog? Yeah. Okay. See you later. Today, day 2. We're at Himeji Castle. We're actually gonna go into the castle this time. It's gonna be great.
From the inside.
From the inside. Alright. Before we go any further into the video, I just want to thank DJI for making this next montage. I had nothing to do with this. Please go check out their channel and buy their products and all that jazz. But let me give you a little history of Himeji Castle. Himeji Castle, also known as the White Heron Castle, for its soaring keep and brilliant white plastered walls, is Japan's biggest and most visited castle. The main keep was built in 1601 and is one of the oldest surviving castles in Japan. Because the castle was never besieged, bombed, or burned, more of Himeji's buildings have survived to the present day than any other castle in Japan. The only stone structures in Himeji Castle are its foundations. The castle buildings are made of mostly wood, earth, and plaster. The complex contains many fine examples of traditional Japanese architecture and craftsmanship, such as post and beam construction of the main keep. Now, Himeji Castle was built and designed for warfare. Counting nearly 1,000 gun and arrow slits that line the castle walls, the castle was never attacked. Instead, the castle functioned mainly as the center of administration and the home of Himeji's daimyo. However, the daimyo's palatial residence was destroyed during the Meiji era, 1868 to 1912, and most of the living quarters and offices in the castle have been lost to time. However, the remaining buildings give us some indication of how the ruling classes lived during Japan's feudal period. This is Himeji Castle. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so right now we're just buying some tickets. I got mine. It is 150 yen for both the garden and the castle. Super cool. Everything can be done in English. There's like a little kiosk outside, and then you go wait in line over there. Very convenient.
It is not 150 yen, sir. It is 1,050 yen.
Tell me, can you spot the gaijin? There's a way up there too. I guess we'll just go this way. Man's out here on his phone in one of the biggest castles in all of
Someone
Japan.
was like, "How's Japan life?" I was like, "Oh, I'm loving it. I'm in Himeji right now." I was gonna FaceTime them, but I was like, I probably shouldn't do that in Himeji Castle.
What is this? Oh, we gotta take our shoes off. You're gonna get the only feet right now.
Pay me $5.
You guys are gonna be famous.
All my money. Take off my Shinobi clothes. Let's go.
So right now, here's all the floors, and we're here at the 5th floor. So we're at craziness. Up one more, and we are now here. Please continue moving forward, it says. Okay. Sounds good. They have a shrine up here at the very top. And we are at the, I think, the tallest most point in all of Himeji. Except for maybe that weird tower over there, but yeah. It's beautiful, man. Incredible. What you think, Brian? Give me your honest stuff.
Well, when I walked by this window and the breeze immediately hit me, and the way I'm wearing my jacket, I felt like a one-piece vice admiral.
Excellent.
That's my opinion.
Oh my God, it's Steven.
Harry, I've reached the top.
So we're here, right at Himeji Castle. We just went through it. It was pretty awesome. I would touch the wall, but there's a big old fence surrounding everything, so we can't actually touch the rock wall. But no, it's beautiful. It's breathtaking inside. We went all the way to the top. It's super nice. So we found a wall. We found a wall to touch. There's actually a lined out path. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Touch. Yeah! We did it. So we're out here and there's just a samurai. We're gonna take a selfie with the samurai. That's what we're gonna do. Alright.
He's like chilling. Look at him. He's just really enjoying it.
He's been chilling.
He's been chilling.